Homemade granola is a delightful and nutritious option that offers numerous health benefits. Making granola at home is simple and allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring a wholesome mix tailored to your taste. Common ingredients include oats, nuts, seeds, and natural sweeteners, all of which are easy to find and prepare. Plus, the process of creating your own granola can be a fun and rewarding experience, allowing you to experiment with flavors and textures while enjoying a healthy snack. Key ingredients in a granola recipe include brown sugar and maple syrup, which enhance flavor by adding sweetness and depth. Key ingredients in a granola recipe include brown sugar and maple syrup, which enhance flavor by adding sweetness and depth. Oats serve as the base, providing essential fiber and energy, while nuts and seeds contribute healthy fats, protein, and vital nutrients. These components create a balanced and satisfying snack. Additionally, you can customize your granola with optional ingredients like dried fruits, which add natural sweetness and chewiness, allowing you to tailor the recipe to your personal preferences. To prepare your granola, start by mixing the dry ingredients thoroughly to ensure an even coating with the wet ingredients, which is crucial for consistent flavor and texture. To prepare your granola, start by mixing the dry ingredients thoroughly to ensure an even coating with the wet ingredients, which is crucial for consistent flavor and texture. Spread the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat or coated with non-stick spray to prevent sticking. Bake at a moderate temperature, stirring occasionally to promote even browning and prevent burning. This careful process ensures a deliciously crunchy granola that's perfectly toasted and ready to enjoy. Adding dried fruits to your granola can elevate both its flavor and texture. Adding dried fruits to your granola can elevate both its flavor and texture. Popular choices like currants and raisins provide natural sweetness and a chewy contrast to the crunchy oats and nuts. However, don't hesitate to experiment with other dried fruits such as cranberries, apricots, or mangoes to create unique flavor combinations. These additions not only enhance the taste but also contribute additional nutrients, making your homemade granola even more delicious and satisfying. Enjoy the creative process. Homemade granola is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. Homemade granola is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. One delightful option is to create a fruit and yogurt parfait, layering granola with fresh fruits and yogurt for a nutritious breakfast or snack. Alternatively, you can enjoy granola on its own as a crunchy snack or with milk as a cereal. Its adaptability allows it to complement various meals, whether sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or used as a topping for desserts, making it a fantastic addition to your kitchen. This granola recipe is dedicated to Tom Tolbert, whose passion for food and community has inspired many. As a beloved figure on KMBR 680, Tom has connected with audiences through his engaging personality and love for sharing culinary experiences. This dedication adds a personal touch to the recipe, reminding us of the joy that comes from creating and enjoying food together. By honoring Tom, we celebrate not only the recipe, but also the connections it fosters among friends and family. In summary, homemade granola is both simple to make and incredibly delicious, offering a nutritious snack option tailored to your taste. In summary, homemade granola is both simple to make and incredibly delicious, offering a nutritious snack option tailored to your taste. We encourage you to try this recipe and share your experiences with us. Your feedback is invaluable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tasty recipes and tips. Explore our content for additional culinary inspiration, and join our community of food enthusiasts as we embark on this delicious journey together.